A variation on Japanese origami, the term kirigami is derived from kiru, which means to cut, and kami, which means paper. It involves creating strategic folds, cutting away portions, and then unfolding the paper to reveal a design. Usually it's a representational object, but sometimes it's just an interesting pattern that appears, such as this familiar cut paper snowflake. There's an easy and inexpensive process, very similar to the snowflake design, for creating low-relief paper sculpture like these examples. It's a great lesson for demonstrating positive and negative space. It looks complicated, but really it's just a matter of folding, cutting, and layering that makes the design look so intricate. Start with 2 sheets of double-sided cardstock. And from each sheet, cut 2 rings. You can use a compass, or you can use these templates, which you'll find with the Concentric Kirigami lesson plan at dickblick.com. Fold the sheet in half and fold the template in half. Align the folds and trace the circles with a ballpoint pen. This will emboss the line into the paper so you can see exactly where to cut. The rings need to be staggered sizes, so cut an 8-inch and a 5.5 diameter ring from the first sheet, and a 7.5 and 5-inch ring from the second. Save the remaining scraps in the center circles. They can be used too. Begin with the largest ring and refold it. From both the inside edge and the outer edge, cut a pattern. It can be something simple and geometric, like zigzags, scallops, square tabs, wave shapes, or something more freeform. I'm making some deep triangular cuts. Next, from the largest ring on the other sheet of paper, I would cut a design on the inside edge and the outside edge as well. Here's the finished ring with a scallop cut on the outside and a design cut with decorative edge scissors on the inside. I also used a handheld punch to make small circles. This ring will be placed with the first ring so that they are concentric, or around the same center point. Now, to give dimension to the piece, I'm bending the tabs back so that you can see the color on the other side. So create folds, curls in either direction. Once you have 2 or 3 rings ready, position them together and glue them to the background, then continue with the smaller rings. You'll want to stagger the colors so that all colors are visible, and incorporate the background color too. You can also incorporate some of the scraps, as I've done with the triangles in the background. Well, that's the basic process, and of course you can take it from there and expand on it however you'd like. The rings can be cut into different sizes, and you can use more than just 2 sheets of cardstock, so you can have as many colors and as many rings as you'd like. Do you want to take this into 3D? Over here, I've placed 2 of my concentric Kirigami creations back to back to make a freestanding sculpture. The cardstock and cutting tools are available at dickblick.com, where you'll also find a free printable PDF with ring templates, photo inspirations, and the national standards for visual arts education.